This is a tutorial on the Y0K. The trick looks like this. It's basically a Y2K, but instead of going to the open position as you normally would, you're actually going to go from a thumb rollover into a zero gravity chaplin. To start the trick, you grab the safe handle. You can't really do this trick starting with the bite handle, because you end up, whichever handle you're grabbing, your finger is going to end up between it and the blade. So if you start with the bite handle, you're going to end up here, and you can't chaplin like that because you're going to get cut. So start with the safe handle, and you're going to throw the thumb rollover like a Y2K as you normally would, except instead of completely vertical, I do it kind of at like 45-degree angle. Okay, you throw it around. Now normally in a Y2K or a Zen rollover, you'd be grabbing the bite handle here and then letting this swing up. So in the Y0K, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to let the bite handle go a little bit past where we would normally grab it, right here. And we're going to have our index finger ready out and let the safe handle come around a full rotation and catch the index. And once it catches between the blade and the safe handle, when we feel that, we're going to continue with momentum and rotate our wrist and then go into the zero gravity chaplin. So throw around, wait for this to come around, rotate, and then zero gravity. When you do it, when I was learning, you'll see that sometimes I grab the whole handle with my thumb. I think it actually looks better, and when you get better, you can do it without. But that'll just come with time. Now the other variant of the Y0K is the Y0K aerial. Kind of the same thing, except you will be vertical in this case. I guess you could still kind of do it as slant, but I usually do it pretty vertically. You'll be doing a Y2K as you normally would, except when the handle comes around, you have to kind of sweep and then lift up. It's going to go into an aerial. It's going to do one full rotation, and when the blade is in this position, you'll sweep your finger, you'll throw, and then have your finger immediately ready to sweep underneath the catch between the safe handle and the blade. And as soon as it makes contact, you'll absorb the motion a little bit and rotate into your zero gravity. To here, and then to the zero gravity. So try to get in frame here. And again, when you're learning, you might actually end up grabbing the knife in its entirety with your thumb, but as you get better, you'll catch it just like this and rotate in, which I think looks a lot smoother. So that's the Y0K and Y0K aerial variant. I found that it actually just opens up the doors to a lot of different combos. The Y0K actually, you can transfer to the opposite finger as well. The Y0K aerial, you can transfer to the opposite finger. You don't have to catch it with the same hand. And I found that it's a pretty cool way to transfer. So hopefully you guys practice the concept, and we'll see it in some of your combos. Thanks for watching.